I've seen some conflicting info in the forums about this Schwaben scan tool, which I bought from ECS, and wanted to give a brief overview to allay concerns because I wasn't confident this was going to work, but it turned out to be as easy as I think it could be. The first thing I did when I got the tool was I went on to the whatever this is made by, Foxwell. I went to the Foxwell website, registered for user ID, registered the device, downloaded the application to a Windows PC, and updated the software on the tool. It looked like all of the base software and OBD software was current and not that old, but I could see that the Porsche specific software had been updated just a few days before I received. So, that's probably the first thing to do, is make sure that you update the tool to have the latest software. And, and they had mentioned specifically that in that software, like the oil service reset procedure was improved. So this could be completely different than maybe earlier iterations, but this is based on the latest software as of I think it was released on January 21st or January 23rd of 2021. So it's very, very recent software version. Anyway, quickly, it just plugs into the OBD2 port, like I think every other scan tool. Pretty straightforward there. I've already reset the service, but I'll go through and show how it works. So turn it on here, accessory power should be enough. The scan tool, so here the procedure is you select, sorry, I got to turn the radio off, select Porsche, smart VIN. It detected my VIN first time, no problem. Okay. This is a GTS, but procedure I think is the same on every Macan. Special functions, oil reset, special functions, reset maintenance interval. This is reset with this procedure. Okay. Now, here, and this is where I wasn't sure because I couldn't really find documentation, but you can reset either the main maintenance, intermediate maintenance, or oil service. Now, I had both the intermediate and oil service reminders coming up. I'm only at 46,000 miles, so it's been a little less than 10,000 since I did the larger 40K service, which included the PDK service. So this was really just oil and cabin filter change. So you simply check these boxes. Okay. Okay. Input the date. And so the next screen, you go bring up the keyboard, input the date, using the date there, hit complete, and it resets. And you'll see, and that's it. It instantly resets. And you can see on the little vehicle monitor, let me get this in the best position. Info, messages, no notification anymore. Service interval, see major, so service interval in 20,000 miles basically, in 2 years. This is January, I'm making this video. The interim service, same thing, and then oil change in 1 year or 10,000 miles, same as you see from a dealer when they reset it. So overall, pretty happy. I think this thing cost me like 180 bucks, something like that. This is my first maintenance I've done on my own. I had hesitated to buy a tool before when I was doing the 40K service. I thought, maybe I should just bring it to the dealer and bring it in, which, I've got a good independent shop that does the work and been very happy with them. But I thought, hey, for just a 10K oil change service, why spend the extra money to dealer? Or dealer or an independent shop. I can basically put that extra money I'd spend into the tool and then do services myself from now on. And you know, easy as doing an oil change, 2 minutes to reset it, and I'm all done.